5 days and 3 business days later, man. Y'all see what I got, man. Come on, stop playing. Y'all see the mystery box has arrived. Got the sauce on fire. I'm gonna let y'all see first. I'm gonna close my eyes. Y'all see I'm closing my eyes.
Enjoy.
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Idris Majo back with another weekly banger, man. So y'all see we got something very different here today, man. As y'all can see from the title down below, today we're gonna be doing a $100 Hypebeast mystery box unboxing or opening, whatever you want to call it. I actually got this idea from Harrison Neff. I've been watching a ton of his Hypebeast mystery box unboxed. Damn, that's hard to say. And I really like the idea, you feel me, of Hypebeast mystery box, because you just pay for a mystery box and then they just give you random things. They could be higher in value or lower in value, you feel me? So I think it's a pretty great idea. And personally, I like fashion and stuff, you feel me? So I definitely said, yo, I had to do this video, man. So today we're just gonna do the $100 one, but soon we're gonna do 200, 300, 400, 500, you feel me? Every video that we do on mystery boxes, we're gonna just increase, make it bigger, better, and provide better content for you guys, man. So hopefully we get something very special in this unboxing. Hopefully we get something like really hype, like Supreme, Off-White, what else, like Yeezy, V-Lone, you feel me? Just anything like hype, because if I make a come up, man, that would be lit, son. If I make a come up, you already know, man, it's fire. Hopefully, I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna figure it out. Anything I do get, and if it happens to like have a profit, I'm gonna probably sell it so I could use that money and put it and invest it into the next video. Next video, I think I'm gonna do a $200 Hypebeast mystery box unboxing. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that, man. Y'all know what to do. Before we even get into this banger, man, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, because we're on the road to big 10K, man. We getting there soon. And most importantly, turn on all post notifications so y'all know when I'm dropping these bangers. And if you guys want to be shouted out in one of my future videos, all you have to do is turn on post notifications, and once you do that, comment DONE, D-O-N-E, down in the comment section down below, man. And yeah, without further ado, we're gonna cop this mystery box, man. Hopefully your boy, you feel me, get dripped out. I'm dripping V-Lone, woo, you feel me? So I'm gonna get this Hypebeast mystery box from LacedUp.com. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored, but Laced Up, if you're watching this and you want you feel me, you want to throw your boy a couple of mystery boxes or give me a discount so I can do future videos, hit my email, man, or my DMs, anywhere, man, because I would be ecstatic if you guys hit me up and want to work, you feel me, because I'm definitely gonna make more of these videos. But yeah, I'm getting it from Laced Up. Hopefully I get some good stuff, man. And yeah, we about to cop it online right now, so we're just gonna switch into the laptop screen. And yeah, and I ain't even gonna lie, guys, I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna go to the website LacedUp.com. About to cop it, mystery boxes. Let's go. Alright, so we about to get on the website. I ain't gonna fake, I'm nervous, man, because I do look at it as an investment, you feel me? Because anyways, my video is gonna be monetized, and if it blows up, you feel me, I get a little monetary compensation on top of the subscribers and viewers I get. So you feel me, it's really an investment, but at the same time, I don't want to copy and get trash. Damn, why is this taking long to load? Alright guys, so it's not working on my laptop. I don't know why the Wi-Fi is messing up, so I'll just buy it off of my phone. I'll just screen record it. I'll just get it off my phone. Man, they're trying to stop the bag, but they don't know that they can't stop the bag, man. We grinding, come on now. So, streetwear mystery. What? Comment down in the comment section, man. Which mystery box do you guys think I should cop? And that has to be 100 too. It has to be 100. What size? I think I'm gonna go with a large, because I think vape stuff runs a little small, because I think they go by Japanese sizing chart. So I think I'm gonna get a large. And yeah, man, we're just gonna cop it. Let's cop it. Let's cop up, man. It's gonna be an investment. I know it's gonna be an investment. I guarantee you guys, man. Cause yo, the mystery boxes we're gonna have in the future, fire, nothing but fire. Mystery box. I better get some heat. Yo, spam prayer emojis in the comment section down below. Pray that I get some heat, so this video can be worth it and be a banger for y'all. And make sure to smash that like button. Alright, so I just confirmed the order. Yep, just confirmed the order. And yeah, man, now it's gonna take like 2 days for it to come. Today's Friday, so it'll probably come on Monday or Tuesday. So I'll see y'all when I get the package. And yeah, stay tuned. 5 days and 3 business days later, man. Y'all see what I got, man. Come on, stop playing. Y'all see the mystery box. Well, it's not in a box. The mystery package has arrived. And I don't even want to talk too much, man. I'm kind of nervous. I just want to see what I got. Hopefully, I got some fire. Before we even open it, man, let's take a quick second to pray. God, please bless me with some fire, Hypebeast, man. Hypebeast, at least like a fire tea, you feel me? At least something fire. Because I've been waiting for this. I've been nervous the whole week. Been waiting for this package to come in, man, and it finally came in. So without further ado, I should have not slapped it like that. Without further ado, man, we about to open it. You see, it got this nice little, you feel me? I got the nice little packaging print on it, whatever. But yeah, we not gonna waste time. We gonna open it ASAP. And I hope I got some fire, you feel me? Alright, I'm gonna open it delicately. Open it delicately. Man, I'm very nervous. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Cause I don't, it's like, you feel me? Although it's an investment for my video, I don't wanna get trash. If I get trash, you feel me? I'm gonna feel like I got scammed then, you feel me? I'm gonna have to hit laced up like, yo, what's up? Well, I spent $100 and got a $30 accessory, feel me? And no shirt, I'm gonna be pissed. But if from what it feels and what I've been researching, I guess I'm gonna get like a shirt plus like some accessories or something. So hopefully I get some good stuff. I get some fire. Man, let's open it, man. I'm nervous. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm super nervous right now. But we opening it. Let me step back a little. I don't know if y'all can see me. Woo! I like this. They gave me a free laced up bag. Hold on, thumbnail real quick. They gave me a free laced up bag. Let me do a thumbnail real quick. Alright, so as you guys can see, it comes with a laced up bag, red laced up bag. It's like a tote bag or something. I think that's what it's called. And I like this, you feel me? This is fire. I like how they gave you a free bag. That's fire. Now I'm gonna give y'all a quick sneak peek of what I got first. I'm not even gonna see it. Only y'all gonna see. I'm gonna give y'all a quick sneak peek. It feels like a t-shirt. I think it is. Can y'all see what it is? Oh, no, I got wrapping paper. I'm gonna unwrap it and then I'm gonna show y'all if I can do that. Now I don't think I can do that. I'm gonna just, you feel me? I'm gonna just show y'all right now, man. Just wanna see what I got. Man, I think I just saw some fire. I don't know. I think I just saw some fire. I'm gonna let y'all see first. I'm gonna close my eyes. Y'all see I'm closing my eyes. I don't know if it's fire or not. My eyes still closed. Let me know if it's fire. Comment fire down. Something just dropped. I don't know what. Comment down in the comment section down below if it's fire or not. I'm gonna open my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, something dropped. Alright, so first thing we got, we're gonna put the shirt to the side. First thing we got this keychain. We got this Bape keychain. I think y'all can see it good. We got this Bape keychain. I don't know how much it's going for, but I'm about to check. I'm gonna check both of the prices as soon as I see what we got. You feel me? So first thing we got this Bape keychain. Yeah, I might keep this. I don't know. Nah, I don't even got keys, so I'm gonna probably sell this if I can sell it. Second item we got here today, we got this Bape. I think I'm gonna open it. Is this dead stock? Let me see. I think it is dead stock, but it's a Bape Neon Baby Milo tee. So I'm gonna open it, show you how it look. Damn, I hope this is not gonna warrant the dead stockness. I'm not gonna put it on though, cause you feel me, I might wanna sell this. So I'm gonna open it, show y'all. Y'all can see it got the Bape clothing wrap. And quick, I'm gonna just let y'all know, this is the first Bape item I ever got. I never got any Bape item before. So this is my first Bape item. Damn, this is cool. It's cool, you feel me? But I don't know if I'll keep it, cause you feel me, it's just like, this is just a regular black tee with a graphic print on it. But it is cool though, you feel me? I like the design, I like the neonness, but I don't know if I can keep it. Hopefully I can resell this. Hopefully I can. But if not, I'm gonna be pissed, for real. But quick thumbnail time. So y'all can see the shirt, man. It's pretty cool, I mess with it. I don't think I'm gonna keep it though, like I said. It has nothing on the back. So it's kind of like a regular tee. I don't know if it's $100 worth though. So I'm gonna just check it up right now. I'm gonna search it up on my phone, see how much it costs. So first I'm gonna search up the keychain and see how much that costs. I'm gonna just I'm assuming this goes for like $10, but I'm gonna check how much it goes for. But I'm assuming this goes for like 10 because it's just a keychain. Oh, it actually goes for like 20. You feel me? Actually like $20, so this is not bad. Goes for like 20. It's just a keychain, so I wouldn't even expect it to go for much. But let's see what the shirt goes for. I'm gonna search it up right now. See how much the shirt goes for. Babe Neon Baby Milo T. I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm happy we broke even. So the babe tee is $100, like precisely. It's $101 on StockX. So we precisely just like, actually it's a little bit of a profit, because the shirt plus the keychain, it's about like $121. You feel me? $20 profit. Come on now, and it got, you feel me? It got the, come on. So that's fire. I'm glad with the result. You feel me? We spent $100. We profited like $20, $21. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, yo, you're definitely gonna see a part 2. I'm gonna probably do a 200. After 200, I'm gonna probably do 300 or maybe even 500. You feel me? But yeah, that's really it for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the Hypebeast mystery unboxing $100 one. I wish I could do a bigger one, but I will soon. I just did not have the funds to do it because I'm a broke college student. You feel me? And yo, if you guys enjoyed that video, you know what to do. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel because we're on the road to big 10K. And most importantly, turn on all post notifications so you know when your boy's dropping these bangers, man. If you guys have any other video ideas for me, make sure you comment that down in the comment section. Or you can hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, in the meanwhile, you feel me? I'm gonna see if you feel me? Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Should I keep this or should I sell this? This is kind of heat. I don't know if I should keep it or sell it. So y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man. And yeah, and if you guys want this, if any of y'all want this, you want to buy it off of me, you feel me? I'll ship it to y'all. Plus the keychain. Hit me up on my Instagram, man. If you guys want it, I'll probably sell it to one of y'all. I'll prefer to sell it to one of y'all because it's like, you feel me? You guys are my supporters, so I'll probably sell it to one of y'all if y'all want it. This shirt, you feel me? The shirt pretty cool, but it's not really my style like that. I'm not gonna lie. And the size is a large. For those of y'all who's curious. And yeah, that's really it for this video, man. Stay tuned for the next Hypebeast mystery box unboxing. And that's it for this one, man. Peace.
Come on, that's got songs to play. Switch it up, Bruce Wayne. I got different designers, something different every day. Come on, that's got songs to play. Switch it up, Bruce Wayne. I got different designers, something different every day. Getting green like broccoli, I cop designer while I play. And my plug be finessing, cooking up like Joe. Now y'all wanna be my clones, cause I'm resurrecting, played out shit from the buff, from the bones. Now it's all up in your flesh, no bereft. I got lightning on my chest, add some water, amber and wrist, filling the